Hi guys, just came home from work and watered the garden, and look, we got some kale. Just washing it really thoroughly and cutting it up. I know you guys know how to do kale, but a while ago I didn't know. My husband came with all the green, leafy green vegetables. They're very good for your health. They're good for just being regular, and also just a good source of iron. If you're anemic, just for green leafy vegetables. My daughter's not too crazy about kale. Kale, you have to cook it really long and hard for it to get soft. And sometimes it just comes out as really hard. But I like to season it to make it extra special. So we have our onion powder. I'm a little generous. We have our garlic. Okay, and you notice I'm not measuring because I'm kind of just eyeballing everything. Pepper. Give it a little spice. And of course, we've got our salt, which again, healthier. Not to go crazy with the salt, but they taste better with it. So use your own judgment. Top it off. Some olive oil. Okay. And for good measure, we also got a pepper from the garden. See, it was starting to like sort of turn red. It was about to start moving into the other direction. So I caught it right before. The peppers didn't get really big, but I feel like they're big enough for me. I'm not a perfectionist. Okay, but they were doing their thing. So I like to get my cutting board out, which you guys can't really see. But yeah, it was starting to turn red on the inside. It's crazy. I like to, and it's important to go ahead and wash all your veggies. Everything you get in from the garden has to be washed thoroughly. I also take out the inside parts. I mean, these are sweet peppers. They're not really hot, but it's a good practice, just in case you run into a pepper you've never met before. Guys, I had a good day at work. God is good. It was the first day of all the littles go back to school, so you know my little daughter is knocked out from my first day of school, and had to make some school lunches, and she like ate everything. So it's just nice when you can have a healthy vegetable option to throw in there, mix in with the rice. Not too much, but enough where she'll get a couple of bites, you know. So I throw in some peppers, the kale. I mean, what's the perk of having a garden if you can't eat some leafy green vegetables? I really need to eat more vegetables, guys. Honestly, my husband is really the leader in this. But because of the garden, I got my hands on some produce. So I'm trying my best with it. And afterwards, you just mix it all up. Make sure that everybody gets a little bit of spice. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just mixing it all up. Guys, I'm not a great cook. I love gardening. But it's just really nice when you can actually use the things that you farmed a little bit. And put it to good use in the home. So as you see, I'm filling up this container. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt just to give the water some flavor. Guys, where did I put the salt, y'all? Okay, I don't know. But yeah, it's just really nice to be able to serve my family, work, but also cook and make some healthy meals. And I'm glad that you guys are here to watch. You're here for all of it. I'm happy that you are. I don't think I even need to put that much water, so I'm going to dump it. These things kind of cook themselves once you put enough water. So Put a little water, a little less even. And yeah, it just all goes in that little bowl. Guys, cook some veggies, y'all. Stop frying all your food, y'all. Okay. And this makes its way over to the stove. And I put it on. And you have just watched a simple garden dish, a simple garden thing become a part of dinner. The only thing I'll say is make sure you wash things properly, because I literally got a leaf that still had a slug on it. Ew. They need to be washed properly or else they're gonna taste grainy and stuff. So always just make sure that you're watching it, looking at it, because yeah. All right, guys, have a good one.